Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to join groups on Messenger. But before this, remember to support our channel by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bells. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Messenger app. Then on the search bar, search for the group that you would like to join. But before that, make sure that you are a part of the Facebook group that this Messenger group chat is associated with. If the group is private, then you'd want the admin to send you a request to join the chat. Then you can accept the request and continue texting on the chat. You can do such by typing on the message box that shows on the bottom of the screen and hitting on send. And that's how you can join a group chat in Messenger. I hope this helps, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any confusion. Thanks for watching.